Do you want to invest your money online but are overwhelmed by the number of investment apps available and unsure which one to choose? Today, we're going to help you with exactly that. Here are the top 5 best investment apps for 2022. Before we dive in further, eggheads, hit that like button, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to get updates on our latest videos. We guarantee that some of these apps are worthwhile for you to check out and might turn you into the next billionaire. So whether you're a seasoned investor or a novice, you best stay around. With just a few taps of a finger, anyone can start investing. However, with so many investment alternatives and applications available, it's easy to fill your nose with unneeded information. So, how do you choose? The apps we're looking at today each have unique things to offer. It all depends on what you're looking for. So if you want a complete overview of each, stay put to learn more about what each app offers and which one best suits you. Let's now get down to business. TD Ameritrade. There is something to be said about a tried and true traditional brokerage account on your computer that gives you an in-depth breakdown and analysis of everything you could ever need to know about your assets, even though some may argue that it's a bit of an obsolete platform. You can buy practically every type of investment through Ameritrade, including stocks, options, ETFs, mutual funds, futures, forex, cryptocurrency, annuities, and more. In addition to traditional investment accounts, they also provide retirement plans, IRA and 401k rollovers, joint custodial accounts, and their highly powerful Thinkorswim trading platform. Now, if your goal is to just dip your toe into investing, this is probably not the platform for you. Sophie. Sophie is an all-in-one investing platform. For those who wish to invest for the long term and make money, it's definitely the greatest choice. Sophie provides a variety of banking services, including loans and refinancing. Evaluating all they have to offer is worthwhile. You can choose to make active trades with Sophie, or they can build a portfolio for you based on your goals and rebalance it for you. Additionally, they provide access to IRAs, automated investment, fractional shares, DRIPs, market and limit orders but no stop orders, and commission-free trades on stocks. Trading individual stocks have no commission. However, Sophie does charge a management fee for its ETFs. It enables you to purchase some cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, unlike other apps. Another standout feature is that you can choose to participate in initial public offerings, IPOs, before they are sold on an exchange. Sophie enables users to follow other users, comment on their transactions, share their investment portfolios, and track their performance against the competition and other participants via a live leaderboard. Free access to a financial advisor is one of the best features of Sophie. For those people who value a sense of community, the ability to access expert financial guidance, and the capacity to go deeply into choices like IPOs and cryptocurrency, Sophie is the best for you. Robinhood, the company that truly introduced the concept of commission-free trading. For a variety of reasons, Robinhood has experienced its fair share of controversy and negative press over the years, but at its core, it truly changed the way people invest and made it far more accessible to people who previously had no idea where to start. Whether that's a good or bad thing is up for debate, but this is a very slick and straightforward tool that is primarily based as a smartphone app, but can also be accessed via desktop. You can use Robinhood to buy stocks, ETFs, trade options, fractional shares, invest in initial public offerings, and even buy cryptocurrencies. Additionally, they have a competent online library of course resources and a newsletter called Robinhood Snacks that gives you a fast update on the market. They offer commission-free trading, which helped shift the entire industry towards that direction. There is no minimum deposit needed to start an account, and they currently give you free stock when you sign up. This is an excellent platform if you want to start actively trading stocks, but they don't provide any kind of tax-advantaged IRA. Additionally, you are largely on your own with this platform and must create your own portfolio from scratch with little to no assistance. M1 Finance. They offer really well-designed mobile software similar to Robinhood that provides you with enough information to let you make smart investing decisions without being overwhelmed like some other mobile platforms. M1 Finance allows you to choose from their portfolios or create your own from start. They also provide commission-free trades and automated investment. They also offer custodial account options, which allow you to open an account for your child if they are under the age of 18, smart transfer tools to help automate all of your investments, and strong retirement tools for traditional and Roth IRAs, as well as 401k rollovers, all with no commission or management fees. Like Sophie, it provides a variety of different financial tools, such as spending accounts, credit cards, loan services, and a variety of other useful services. So if you're looking for that financial tool, M1 Finance may be your best bet. Wealthfront, a fully automated platform, which means you can handpick individual stocks and build your own portfolio using this platform. So if that is what you are looking for, you should certainly go with M1 Finance or one of the previous platforms. With Wealthfront, you may open an individual account, a trust account, a joint account, a standard Roth and SEP IRA, a 529 college savings plan, and pretty much any other account type you could need. Simply deposit funds into your Wealthfront accounts, complete a quick survey about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthfront will offer a risk score to you. The risk score, a number between 0.5 to 10, indicates how aggressively your money is invested. The portfolio with a risk score of 0.5 is heavily invested in municipal bonds, and what are usually regarded as lower risk investments. And as the risk score increases, the portfolio becomes more strongly engaged in stocks and more volatile investments with a larger potential return. If you want to have everything under one platform, this might be for you, depending on your future financial goals. Any of these would be a terrific alternative for you. Have you tried any of these apps? Please share your thoughts in a comment section. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, click the like button, and hit that notification bell to move further with each video towards being an egghead yourself. Catch you in the next video, aspiring eggheads.